Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Beauty by Ada here, and today you already know from the thumbnail what we're about to do. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, you're new here and you're hearing this voice for the first time, please click on that subscribe button and click on the notification bell. I really do appreciate you and you're welcome to my channel. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back in. So today guys, I'm going to be showing you guys different gripping methods, so just keep watching so that you learn. If you're a beginner and you're still trying to get a grip of this braiding thing, this video is for you. Just keep on watching. And today already, as you know, this is a kids box braid, so I'll also be showing you guys how to do box braid on kids, how not to make the box braid so bulky and so heavy, just for kids. Make it light and make it comfortable as possible for them. So I'm going to be showing you all the gripping methods and how you can grip your braids as a beginner. So guys, this is my first gripping method. This is like my favorite method. I use this all the time. So I have like 3 methods, so you can choose whichever one that you want to, but this is my first gripping method, where I split the braiding hair into 2 and then kind of like twist it and put my hand inside. I just hope you're seeing it. I don't know how to explain that, but you're already seeing that, so you know what to do already. I'm sorry if I cannot explain that properly, but this is like the method I am using right now, the method I use in all my braids, and I have other methods as well. So now you're going to be, after gripping it, it's more like you're trying to share the hair into 3 parts, and then you hold onto the natural hair. In this case, I always like divide the natural hair into 2, whereby the braiding hair each braiding hair gets 1. I don't know if you understand that. Each braiding hair gets 1. That way it makes it stronger on the, not like the kind of strong, but it makes it hold on properly and make it look neater. And then you can see that as I am braiding down, I am really like trying to cover up, because she has lots of hair. Like, man, this girl's hair is just, I love her hair so much. She has like this long hair. So as you can see that as I am braiding, you cannot see her natural hair, because I'm covering everything up. I'm trying to cover it up so you don't see the hair. and that way you don't damage her natural hair. As you can see, you cannot see her natural hair at all because I'm blending everything in. I'm using the braiding hair to cover everything. And this is the second gripping method. So this method, you just get your braiding hair, holding it single like that, just place it on the natural hair. In this method, the natural hair is going to be the third, like the third braiding hair. That is what it is. Let's use this to place it on top of it, and then the natural hair is going to be serving as the third hair. After placing it and securing it tightly, what you need to do is now to shear up the natural hair to the braiding hairs, so that as you're braiding down, you have braiding hair to cover up the natural hair. And this is the third method. So this third method is more like trying to start a feeding braid. So as you can see, I'm going to be dividing her natural hair into 3 equal parts. So look at the equal parts. I divided it into 3 equal parts. Right there. It's more like you're trying to do a knotless braid, but it's not going to be knotless. So this is my braiding hair. I keep that aside, and then I try starting the braid with just her natural hair. As I start it up, just count like 1, 2, then you can add up the braiding hair. That way it doesn't come out as knotless braid, but you know, it's still braid, not knotless braid anyway. So if you've gotten to this point and you have not yet subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? Give me all the video ideas, anything you want to see, anything you want to learn, any video you want me to make, just leave it down below in the comment section. I'm here to serve you guys. Just leave it in the comment section and I will definitely get back with the video. So if you haven't subscribed, you're here now, please click that subscribe button and click on the notification bell so you know whenever I post any new video. And please do like this video and share with your friends and family. This is how my channel actually grows. Please, I really do appreciate your support. Subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell so you know whenever I post any new video. So as this goes on, I'll definitely keep this running so you see how I do the rest of the braids. I'll definitely see you guys towards the end. And if you don't forget, if you have any video requests, leave it in the comment section. Tell me what you guys want to see next, because that helps me in planning out my video also. So just tell me what you guys want to see next and leave that in the comment section. I will definitely get back to you guys. So just enjoy this video and keep on watching. So guys, after braiding, I go ahead and trim out the excess hair, you know, all the leave outs or excess hairs. I just trim that out, and then I dip her hair in hot water, as you can see what I am doing. And after that, I apply my mousse on her hair to make everything smoothing out and look real good. And this is the finished look, guys. If you really enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you're here and you haven't subscribed, please click that subscribe button and click on the notification bell so you know whenever I post any new video. Please like and share this video with your friends and family, and thank you so much for watching. I'll definitely see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to leave your video suggestions in my comment section, as I'll definitely get back to you guys. Thank you for watching.